3000. Normal loss is 150. Normal output is 2850, but it actually is 8800 units. That's all. You require how much? 2548, but it is only 2500. How much abnormal loss? 48. Material 80,000. Wages no. Work expenses, other expenses. Actual output here is 2800. 25 lakh 95,043. Normal cost. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramanya, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Advanced Cost and Management of a 5th semester BCom. The session goes in favor of process costing. I told when a product he has to pass through 3 processes. The raw material has been introduced in the process 1. The finished product of process 1 become the raw material for process 2, the finished product of the process 2 become the raw material for process 3, where you are going to get the finished product in the 3rd process. You go to problem. A product passes through 3 distinct processes to completion from the following detail. You go with the A. Here, material 80,000, wages no, work expenses, other expenses, actual output here is 2,800, and 3,000 units have been introduced. Normal wastage is 5%. Wastage per unit is rupees 8. This is per unit. Rupees 8, rupees 8, rupees 20. So how many units have been introduced? 3,000 units have been introduced. We'll move the problem. I will explain. We'll go. Process. A. Particular. Units. Value. Particulars. Units. Value. So, how many units have been introduced here? 3,000 units. Input. 3,000 units. Output. So we introduced 3,000 units. Your output is 2,800. This is units. I'll put it here. 2 input. 3,000 units. Here, 3,000 at rupees 120 per unit. 300 units, 3,000 at rupees 120. So 3,000 into 120. 3,60,000 at rupees 120. 12 season. 3,60,000. 3,60,000 is the expenditure for how many units? 3,000 units. Then see the expenditure now. Material. To material. 80,000. To material. 80,000. To wages. 4,40,000 expenditure. Other expenses. Other expenses. Other expenses, 20,000. So, how many units have been introduced? 3,000 units, 3,60,000, material cost 80,000, wages 4,40,000, other expenses 20,000. What's your normal loss? Normal is 5%. By normal loss, 5% on 3,000 units. 5 by 100, so 150 units. So, per unit have been sold at rupees 8. This is 150 into 8. 1,200 is the realization value. 1,200. Now, you have introduced 3000 units minus 150. The output should be 2850. Here, what's your output? 2800. How much has come down? Here, you close this. Right here. In working note, input 3000 units. Your input is 3000. Your input is 3000 units minus normal loss 150. This is 2850 is the normal output. Normal output minus actual output 2800. So 50 is the abnormal loss. Abnormal loss. Then total expenditure 3,60,000 plus 80,000 plus 4,40,000 plus 20,000. So 9 lakh. It's 9 lakh. This is 3,000. This is 3,000. 9 lakh. So out of 9 lakh, how much realized? 1,200. Normal cost. Normal cost. Total cost. Total cost is 9 lakh minus amount realized. The total cost is 9 lakh minus amount realized 1,200. $8,98,800 is the normal cost. So your abnormal loss is 50. Your normal cost is 8,98,800. Value of abnormal loss. Abnormal loss. Value of abnormal loss. Or we can work out here. Value of abnormal loss. Normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by abnormal loss units. What's your formula? Normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by abnormal loss units. What's your normal cost? 8,98,800. Your normal output is 2,008. This is your abnormal. Actual output. Your normal output is 2,850 into 50. So it is 8,98,800. 8,98,800. 898,800 divided by 2,850 into 50. It comes to, I will repeat, 8,98,800 divided by 2,850 into 50. So 15,768 abnormal loss, 50 units. Value is 15,768 768. Transfer to B process, the difference amount. So the total value is 3000. Here 3000 units, 200 units have gone. Your output is 2800 value. Transfer to next process. You deduct this now. 9 lakh. 9 followed by 50. 9 lakh minus 1200 minus 15,768. So 8,83,032. This is the output of the first unit. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 3, 10. 1 plus 3, 7, 10. 1 plus 2, 5, 7. 3, 10. 1 plus 2 plus 10, 9. So 8,83,032. So you understand, no? Your input is 3,000. Normal loss is 150. Normal output is 2,850. But it actually is 8,800 units. That's all. So you got a 50 units is the loss. So total cost is 9 lakh. Amount realized 1,200. It becomes 8,98,800. We'll go to next process now. Here, process B. Particular units value, particulars units value. Here, wait. Input 2,800 units. This is the output of process A become the input here. You see that what's your output here? 2,600 output. 2,600 units. Transfer entry. To process A. How many units? 2,800 units. units. What's the value? 8,83,032. 8,83,032. Transfer from the last process. So we have got 2,800 process here which has been transferred here. Now expenditure to this. Come back. Material 48,000. To material 48,000. To wages 2 wages. Your wages is 4,80,000. Then, so wages over. Work expenses 1,60,000. Work expenses 1,60,000 here over. Come back to your normal loss is how much percentage? 10%. By normal loss, 10%. 10% of 2,800. 2,800 into 10 divided by 100. 280 units. Per unit 10 rupees, no? Per unit 10 rupees. 280 10 is 2,800. Here, your input is 2,800. Here, normal loss is 280. Here, We close like this. Working out. Input 2,800 minus normal loss minus 280 deduct 2,520 normal output. So 2,800 units. Normal loss is 280. Normal output is 2,520 minus actual output 2,600 more is there. So 2,600 minus 2,520 80 abnormal gain. Gain is 80. So if we add the figure, working out number 2, total cost, add the figure 8,83,032 plus 48,000 plus 4,80,000 plus 1,60,000. 160 followed by 30 is equal to 15,71,032 minus amount realized 2,800. The total cost is 15,71,032. How much amount realized? 2,800. 15,68,232. Normal cost 15,68,232 is the normal cost. Now, value of abnormal gain. So, abnormal gain here now, we'll come back. Abnormal gain, normal cost, normal output multiplied by abnormal gain units. What's your formula? Normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by abnormal gain units. What is your formula? Normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by abnormal gain units. What's your normal cost now? 15,68,232 divided by your normal output 2,520 into 80. So 15,68,232 divided by 252 into 80. So here 2 abnormal gain. How many units? 80 units value. This is 4,97,851. I will check once again. 15,71,032. This is 15,68,232 divided by 2,520 into 80. 4,97,851. 4,97,851 value, higher value. 4,97,851. So add to this. Your total is now, already you got a total 15,71,032 plus 4,97,851. It will come to 20,68,883. Now 2,880. Here 2,880. 20,68,883. I will explain. Here increase now 2,880. Out of 280 gone, it is 2,600. Same answer has to come. So difference in value 20,68,883 minus 2,800. So 20,66,083. 2,600, 20,66,083. Transfer to process C. We'll go to next process now. Here. Process C account. Particular units value. Particular units value. Here input particular units value. Particular units value. Particular units value. Your input is 2,600. This is in units. Your output, last one, your output is 2,500. This is units. To process B, to process B value. Here 2,600 units. Value goes 20,66,083. 20,66,083. So now go with the expenditure. Two materials. 42,000. This over. 2 wages. 2 wages 80,000. No. 2 wages 80,000. What's your material cost? Process material 42,000. Wages 80,000. What is next one? Wages 80,000. This is over. Work expenses. Wages 4 lakh. Here wages is 4 lakh. Then wages over. Then work expenses 80,000. Work expenses 80,000. Other expenses 8,000. By normal loss. See the percentage. What's the normal loss? Percentage is 2% on input. Normal loss is just 2%. 2% on 2,600 units. That is 2,600 into 2 divided by 100. 52 units. What's the value? Per unit value, see that? See the per unit value at rupees 20. At rupees 20 into rupees 20, 1040. Your input is 2600. Your input is 2600 minus normal loss is 52. Your output should be 2548, but it is only 2500 is there. Close this. We'll do the working note now. Working note. Particular units. Input. Your input is 2600 minus normal loss 52 units, 2548 normal output. You introduce how many units? 2600 units minus normal loss is 52. So actual output is 2548. But it is 2500 is required minus actual output 2500. So there is difference of 48. Abnormal loss. Working note number 1. 2. Total expenses of process C. We'll add the expenditure. Process C, 20,66,083 plus 42,000 plus 4 lakh plus 80,000 plus 8,000. 25 lakh 96,083. This is 2,600. Go with here. Total expenses 25 lakh 96,083. 25 lakh 96,083 minus amount realized by selling the output. Amount realized is 1040. Deduct 3405,925. 25 lakh 95,043 normal cost. Last one. Value of abnormal loss. Value of abnormal loss. Normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by abnormal loss units. What's your normal cost? 25 lakh 95,043. What's your normal output? 2,548 into 48 is abnormal loss. So 25 lakh 95,043 divided by 2,548 into 48. So 25 lakh 95,000 into 43 divided by 2,548 into 48. 25 95,043 divided by 2,548 into 48. So 48,886. 48,886. For how many units? For 48 units. Abnormal loss 48 units. Here abnormal loss 48,886. Now bring out the difference. Here 2,600. 500 units has to come. 2 plus 8, 10. 1 plus 5, 6, 4, 10. 1 plus 2,500. Deduct 25 lakh 96,083 minus 1040 minus 48,886. 25 lakh 46,157 by finished product. So the closing value of the process A, that is a finished product of process A, become the raw material for process B. The finished product of process B become the raw material for process C. It goes on now. Okay. So input, this working note is quite essential. See the working note. That working note I will explain. This working note is essential. Input minus normal loss is 52. This is actual output we require, but taken out is only 2,500. You require how much? 2,548, but it is only 2,500. How much abnormal loss? 48. Your total expense is this one. This amount realized 1,000. This amount you have got the 25 lakh 95,043. Value of abnormal loss, normal cost divided normal out into abnormal loss units. 25, 95, 43 divided by 2,548. So it will come 48,886. 48,886. If there is abnormal loss, it will come on the credit side. If the abnormal gain, that will come on the debit side. So all is one, you have to put for all the problem input, output, input and output. So process A output become the input for process B. The process B output become the input for process A. We'll get the finished product. Dear students, we solve the problem of 3 process A, B, C. In the next session, we will go to a problem of process X and Y, Z with abnormal loss and abnormal gain account. So far we come across the process account. We'll go to the next session with abnormal loss and abnormal gain. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.